friends, I'm the Spa Guy. What we're going to talk about today is Jacuzzi premium diverter valve parts. And this is what I call the gate, which is the part that goes on the inside. There's a cap. That's the old style knob. That's the new style knob. We have them all in stock, and there's also some O-rings and things. So in a moment we're going to take this apart and I'll show you what's inside of it and how it looks and how you put it back together. Stay tuned. First, I'm going to show you how it works. Stay tuned. So what it does, friends, is it diverts water. I can turn it to this side, and that's this seat right here, right in this area. I turn it to this side, and it's the foot jets in the tub. You can see them pushing right here. If you put it in the middle, it's a blend of both of them. So you can blend it one way or the other, depending on where you want the power to be. So I'm going to power the tub down. Never take this off with power to the tub, because this thing will become a geyser, and it'll literally empty the tub in about 2 or 3 minutes. So you don't take this off with power to the tub, because you don't want to flood the place. Stay tuned. We're going to open it up and I'll show you what it looks like inside. All right, so as you can see, this is the old style. We have 2 different knobs, and when I say the old style, basically both knobs fit the same setup. That's the old style knob, the shorter one. And then you have the new style knob, which is the longer one. It still fits on the same cap, and you can see it turns. So that's it. And you could see that somebody has put a pair of pliers on that right there. They've kind of beat it up a little bit. And we have both of those knobs in the store. All right, after you've pulled your handle off, you would simply unscrew this, the cap. It's threaded underneath. And you flip it over, and you can see there's 2 O-rings right there. They're actually inside. We offer the O-rings. The next thing you have is what I call the stem, and you can see you can pull it out. And if you need to pull it with a pair of pliers, you can take a pair of pliers, and you can see that there's 2 little washers on it that fit on the edge right there. So I've got a brand new one right here. I'm going to slip the washers back on there. And I actually like to put it in the cap first. I'm going to change this O-ring. And if you have trouble getting hold of this O-ring, just take a little flat screwdriver or a knife and use the edge of it. Slip the new O-ring right here. Right in this little, it's got a little beveled spot. Take the new cap and slip it like that. In fact, I'm going to slip the O-rings in the cap first. And I'm just going to push them down in there. You see what they look like. And I'm glad this water's warm. Just push it together just like that right there. That's what it looks like, top and bottom. And just screw it back together. Just like that. And then put the knob back on. Now you need to line the knob up, and what I'm talking about is this thing has a stop. It'll stop at a point in both directions. So when it's correct, it should be where it goes stop, stop. Dead in the center, stop, stop. You don't want the stop to be back here, because the handle will hit the shell of the tub. And that is what it looks like, friends. Let's fire her up and make sure there's no leaks. Just make sure you don't have to go crazy tight with it, but we're going to double check and make sure there's no leaks. Stand by. So no leaks right there. I can turn it, and it's diverting the water. You can hear it diverting the water. And there it is, friends. Just that simple. Jacuzzi Premium J Series diverter valve. So friends, I'm the Spa Guy. If you need diverter valve parts for a Jacuzzi Premium J Series, I have them. If you'll click this banner above my head, it will take you to my website, to the area where the Jacuzzi Premium diverter parts are. Buy with confidence. I don't know much, but I do know hot tubs, friends. And if I can do it, you can do it. It's just that simple. Buy today.